friends, I'm Shapy Hero. Let's play a game. Can you guess these animals? This is a cow.
This is a sheep.
This is a horse. Cluck, cluck. This is a hen. This is a dog. Boink, boink.
This is a pig.
Meow, meow.
This is a cat.
Hey kids, want to see Shapy Hero transform into amazing farm animals? Subscribe to our channel and don't miss the fun!